Good morning, 5th graders. Today at this station, you're going to get some main idea practice in. Also, you're going to be working on using the 3-sentence model to support why you chose that main idea using a key detail. This is going to be a good skill to know for our test on Friday, so if you struggle with this today, you really need to make sure you do the extra practice tonight and talk to me. Okay, Mrs. Brockman will be with you for part of the time today, maybe not all the time, so you need to realize that you have to self-motivate yourself and really work hard to be good at what you're doing today. The directions say on the sheet what you're supposed to do, but I'll go through it anyway. Please make sure you put your name up here at the top. Okay, this side actually. You will pick any two you want. There's 3 on the front and 3 on the back. Pick any two that you want to do. It says summarize this paragraph in 1 sentence. We know that means create a main idea, okay, when you're basically telling what the entire paragraph is about in one main idea, in 1 sentence, it's called creating the main idea, okay. And then it says an appropriate title. I do want you to do this today. You're creating an appropriate title for this piece, okay. Remember, a title is not a complete sentence, it's just a short phrase that you'll use to describe what this is about for the reader. Okay, if you don't think you're right and you want to have a friend check it, absolutely pass it to them and ask them, hey, if you read this title, what would you think the rest of this passage was about? Okay, when you're done with the 2 that you pick here, okay, on a separate piece of notebook paper, you are going to, in the upper right corner of your notebook paper, put your name, the date, and the assignment. Okay, the assignment is 3-sentence model practice, or, hold on, I think I've got it on something different here. 3-sentence model, what did I write? So name, date, and 3-sentence models, okay, is what you're going to put up here in the corner. You'll create 2 3-sentence models for the ones you did. So for example, if I chose this one and I have a main idea and a title, then on my notebook paper I'm going to write, you know, the main idea of this piece is blah, 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 according to the text. Give me a key detail, guys, not little tiny details that are important, a detail that is going to support your main idea. And then for the 3rd sentence, you go on ahead and you explain why that quote supports your claim. Okay, don't just restate the quote. Okay, don't just restate your claim. Okay, this supports my claim because blah, 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 blah. Okay, Ms. Brockman will help you if you are struggling with that today. Let me know if you have any issues. I'm working in a small group, so if you really need me, on the back wall there's a thing that we haven't used yet this year. You can start using it. It says grab a number. Okay, and when I see that someone has taken one of those, as soon as I have a minute to get to you, I will get to you. But if you're waiting and just sitting for me, okay, that kind of makes me a little grumps. Okay, try really hard to do your best, even if you don't really know what's going on. Ask a friend, okay, or try to do it, and if you do it completely wrong, at least you tried. I'll give you points and grades just based on that. Okay, when you're done with this and you're done with your notebook paper, please turn both into the tray. Thank you.